Alright, hello everyone. It is time to do an unboxing that I've been waiting a very long time to do, but to do an unboxing you need the right tool. And you've seen this guy before on the channel, and he's pretty cool. It's a West German Swiss Army knife, essentially. And I know that I just said West German and Swiss, but don't read into it. There's a whole history on this guy. And he's pretty cool. But you know what? He's not cool enough to open this box. So we're going to put him over here. I need something. I need something else. Let's see. What do I got in my collection here? I could use one of these. That's too soggish. That won't work. Let's see. I could use one of these guys. That's too fat. I don't want one of those. Let's see here. Maybe one of these. Close. It's too small. This doesn't work. We could go with one of these. You know what? That's too fascist. I'm not gonna want one of those either. Maybe one of these. Yeah, that's pretty nice. It's too long. That won't work either. Maybe one of these. Yeah, maybe one of these. Well, I don't know, it's kind of weird shaped, you know. I'm not going to be cutting any parachute strings. That won't do either. I know. Perfect. Alright, so now that we got the unboxing tool, we can get rid of all that stuff. We don't need that. And be on the lookout for this in the future.